Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we got a new package that just came in, which is right here. All right, so here we go. Here is the package, and it actually is from a sponsor of mine. They were kind enough to send out something for me to test out and review for you guys. So today, the review is on the fast wireless car charger provided by Lasfit. If you guys don't know what Lasfit is an automotive lighting company. They do all kinds of exterior and interior lighting, like light bars, fog lights, cargo lights, map lights. They do it all. They also have interior accessories like car organizers and floor mats and wireless car chargers. So if you guys actually want to take a look at what they have, I have a link in the description. I'll also have a link to this right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an honest review on it. And like I said, thanks to Lasfit for actually sending this out to me and allowing me to review this. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick. All right, so this is a wireless car charger. This is the one I decided I was going to go ahead and review. So apparently it sticks onto the windshield and then you're gonna charge your phone through it. So we'll see. Okay, so let's see. From the back, it looks like we have the suction cup for the windshield, and then this is I'm guessing this is the phone holder. So right off the bat, I can tell this is like really high quality because it doesn't feel cheap. It's actually kind of heavy, to be honest. So it's not just like cheap plastic. And that is that. It's really clean. It actually like feels well put together. It feels really durable. And then this is the suction part. Let's look at the next part. We have these two right here. Okay, so this is the charger. This is a charger. I'll have to read the instructions. I don't know what the charger is. And this goes to... So I'm actually gonna go ahead and read these instructions and then figure out, how this goes. Okay, so I actually figured out that these two are two different things. So this actually snaps on, or it sucks on to the windshield, and this is more for like the air vent. So for example, you have the port right here, and this would go into that like that, and it could stay on the air vent, or you can use the other attachment and you can put it on the windshield. So that's what that is. So let's go ahead and try the air vent one and start this up here. And this charger actually plugs into the bottom. So for example, this goes down here into the port, and this is gonna charge behind here. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So I'll show you guys what that looks like. And apparently it's supposed to just charge your phone. But I wonder how... Whoa. Okay, so like my phone is like this, it'll close. Okay, this thing likes to move around a lot. But tighten that. Oh, okay. So it's the sensor here. So this is how it looks, guys. And then you put your fingers here, opens it up, and then you can go ahead and close it. So that's how you would put your phone in there and have it charging. But I'm just trying to figure out how to keep this thing still because it kind of falls around. It flops around a little bit. See that? So let's try. All right, so I figured out how to get it to stay. There's actually a piece back there, right here, that actually holds up against the air vent, and it actually holds it in. But I'm recording from my phone, so I can't really show you what it looks like, but I have my case here. So basically, you'll put the case or the phone there, it'll attach like that, and then to release, you kind of just grab the bottom here, and it'll open up again and then close. So it's actually super cool. I went ahead and put my phone down, and it does work, and that is a cool thing. It looks super, I don't know, like pretty high tech. I mean, this is a pretty cool product from Lasfit. So I'm actually going to put a link in the description so you guys can go ahead and check this product out. I don't know if you can see, it's getting kind of dark outside, but that's it right there. As you can see, super cool. And this is that side there. So this is how it looks from where, like when I'm driving. So let's say I have the phone, I put it like this, and put my phone in, and it closes, and then it sits like that. So it's like a perfect visual for when you're driving. It's not like up here where you have to kind of look out of the way. It's like right in front of your face when you're driving, and super cool product. So as I was opening up the package, I found another package, and I started to open it, and it is a Lasfit 12 volt smart car charger, which is, I just opened it and it's right here. Super cool. And it's gonna go right there. I actually needed one of these. So it's perfect for, and that's awesome right there. Perfect. I actually did not know this was coming, so actually thank you for that, guys. Appreciate that. All right, so thank you to Lasfit for actually sending me this item out. It was super cool to go ahead and review. I'm definitely going to give it a high review. I think it is very a necessity for when you're driving to have the maps, GPS right on your phone, especially if you don't have something like that for your truck or your car or anything like that, and you do have something so high-tech, so simple, and something so well put together. A huge shout out to Lasfit, and I'll be working with them more in the future. Like I said, if you guys want to go ahead and purchase this item, I have a link in the description down below where you can go ahead and check it out. And you can go ahead and check out their site as well, and you can see what kind of items you like to buy for yourself, like light bars and floor mats and interior mods and all kinds of like LEDs and everything like that. So there's gonna be an affiliate link. If you do buy off that affiliate link, I do get a small kickback, small commission, and it does help out and support the channel a lot. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.